everybody from On Board the Disney Wish, our final night of our Very Merrytime cruise. Tonight we finally have dinner at Worlds of Marvel. We're really excited. This is a holiday themed cruise, so tonight we're doing it up. We're getting holiday themed. We're gonna go meet characters. We're gonna see Aladdin tonight. That's one of the Broadway style shows they have going on. We've loved every single one we've seen so far. Today we enjoyed an incredible day at Castaway Cay, Disney's private island in the Bahamas. That's its own separate video, so check that out. I'm gonna bring you with us for our night tonight for whatever we do for the full experience, and then disembarkation tomorrow morning to wrap this cruise up with a bow. But we are just getting started for tonight, so I hope you have your stuff on, your Santa hat on. Turn on your lights. Hold on, gotta turn these on. Let's get them solid. There we go. And now we're ready to get started. And we'll say bye to Castaway Cay. No water spouts this time, no tornadoes like last time. If you saw our video from last time here, it was a very different scenario. Today was lovely. Look at the beautiful sunset we're heading into tonight. Wow. The breeze, incredible. All right, let's go.
I'm ready.
Ho, ho, ho.
Couldn't be much more ready.
Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo. We just got in Mickey, and then Minnie's gonna trade out. There's Rapunzel down here. We got characters everywhere right now. I love this about the lobby. Sort of like between daytime and dinner, there's usually character palooza.
Even though I'm dressed all Christmassy,
Yeah.
it's very hot right now.
But you look cute,
Yeah.
so you need to just follow through. Bahamas
not
holiday.
really-
Bye, Mickey. I think you liked
This
our
is
outfits.
a warm ship at Christmas.
Mickey must be warm in that. It is warm, right?
Yeah, Mickey's got his jumper on, he must be warm.
Yeah. Are the lights going along with the song? Sam was obsessed with figuring that out yesterday.
It really
I
looks
don't
like-
think they are.
I don't think they are either.
But it kind of does seem like it sometimes.
Yeah. If you stare at them long enough, you'll convince yourself
Yeah.
that they are going at the same time as the music.
It's true. Like, look. It kind of seems like they are. They can't be. All right, so this area is open right now for pictures with Chewbacca, and sometimes it's open for pictures with stormtroopers and with Rey. So let's see. I don't know if we missed him, but we'll see if we can get Chewie. There he is, Chewie. I feel like Rey is there too. Well, when you're all about the galaxy, you gotta use what you can get. So this little nest made of wires. Get creative there, little porgy. Hi, Chewie. Hi, Ray.
How have your travels been?
Good, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
How's yours been?
They've been very well. Well, we've been trying to find out places in the galaxy that the first order might have infiltrated.
Back to you.
Trying to see if there are any stormtroopers aboard this particular ship. I think you could explain.
Yeah, of course.
If you see them, can you try to get intel as to why they're here so we can report that back to base?
We will. So we have a job. We'll remember that. We'll keep our eyes out for those guys. It's really neat in here. Everyone's getting ready for their dinners, taking photos with characters. The first seating starts soon, but we're gonna watch Aladdin first, and then we have the second seating for dinner. We're still docked. We haven't taken off from Castaway yet. We haven't casted away yet. Hello, good evening. Very well, thank you. All right, so we're doing a special photo. This is for tonight only, right? Because Aladdin is showing. It's tons of fun getting character photos. We just got a bunch in a row, so I've been sharing them, I'm sure, in the video, so you've seen at least the ones that came out good. But yeah, it's just fun chatting with them, and they're really efficient on the ship with, like, you get your little interaction, chat with them, you get your photos, and you move along. They are doing autographs as well, if people have those, but it makes the line move so quickly, but you still feel like you bought your time with them, so I think they do a really great job with that. They're doing some Disney music trivia. We have known every single one. This is where we rock it.
Did anyone get
getting our nightly glass of wine for the show.
Then we'll get the name of this one. Yes, just around the riverbed.
It's better when you know.
Yeah. We were not great at Star Wars trivia, but this,
Yeah.
we got this. Chimney, chim, chim, chimney. And now it's time to head into the Walt Disney Theater to see Aladdin tonight. We've been very excited for this one. Got our wine, and if you've seen my other Disney Cruise Line vlogs, you know the drill. No filming is allowed during the performance. I can show you before and after, set the scene, show you the vibe and the mood, and the beautiful theater and the sounds. I love the cup holders here. They perfectly fit your cup of wine. Ding! Look at how cool the stage looks. They use that screen that you can like see behind it, and I can already see set pieces and lamps hanging. It looks amazing, and they change the vibe in here every night for each show. There's always like something like confetti or bubbles or things that fly into the audience. It's amazing. Well, that was a great show, quite a production, so much going on. The genie was hilarious, everybody was great, the sets were really cool, and yeah, that was so much fun. We're gonna just go to our stateroom for a minute to freshen up before dinner. Not sure if we've had our turn down service yet. Yes, we have! Every night you get a new towel and we got a snail. Little chocolates. That's really cool, I like it.
Yeah. I don't think we've had that one.
No. I really liked how they did the flying carpet scene too. I was kind of wondering how they were going to do that. And they did it in different ways at different parts of the show. For the Whole New World with Aladdin and Jasmine, they were on like a hydraulic lift and the carpet was on it and it moved. It tilted and it moved all around. I'm moving the camera, but like it moved all around with them on it, and it moved like around in a circle, and there was fog being poured out from underneath to look like clouds, so that you couldn't see the lift, you couldn't see the arm that it was on. So it was really clever, and there was a screen behind them and there was a screen in front of them that both had scenes that they were flying through on them, and it also added like a little bit of a hazy mist in front to hide the arm even more. It was very clever. There were a lot of cool scenes in there, and it was good, a good time. Let's see how it's looking outside too. We've taken off. We could, oh my gosh, the door, I can't. I can't open it. Apparently the lock was on. We didn't turn it on, so good to know. The ship is going so fast. And you can feel it. You can definitely feel it moving. It looks so cool.
This is the most I've felt it move the whole time.
Me too. So for the whole voyage, we've really hardly felt the ship move at all, but tonight we can feel it. We can really feel it moving, and while we were in the theater, I could feel it big time. And I heard other people talking about it. I overheard people saying like, it felt like the theater was kind of swaying. It was fine, everybody was fine, but you could definitely feel it. And right now, like I'm holding onto the wall because you can feel it. I wonder if it comes across on camera that I'm like moving, but I'm standing still. So cool looking. We still have dinner at Worlds of Marvel tonight.
Good afternoon. This is Lisa again, Hotel Director. On behalf of Captain Markle and all of the ship's officers and crew, we certainly hope you've had a magical time on board with us, in the hopes that you will sail with us again sometime in the near future. Thank you, and see you real soon.
Okay, we're gonna go have as much fun as we possibly can before and after dinner on our last night at sea. How nice! People are just having a big old pajama party, aren't they? Daisy's out, Goofy's out. Everybody is like having fun. This is so cute. You know rocking around the Christmas tree?
I know the main bit.
dinner, so let's go to Worlds of Marvel. So tonight we have dinner at the highly anticipated Worlds of Marvel. And what we have going on is Avengers Quantum Encounter. It's a thrilling cinematic dining experience. It features a battle with scary villains, loud noises, and moments of darkness. It says the show may be frightening for young children. The Avengers Technology Showcase, spotlighting the latest innovations for a better world. Okay, wow, we're going in. They're playing the Marvel music. There's Christmas trees. We've got the Avengers symbol, Christmas trees. How cool. Avengers plate, very cool. We got this in the middle of the table. And here is the menu. Our bread service tonight is on marble loaf. Marble.
We'll be getting underway in just 5 minutes, so please take your seats.
5 minutes.
Now quit your lollygagging and take your seats. Good evening, everyone. Please welcome Scott Lang and Hope Van Dyne.
Triple check. All right, you know what? I need to breathe, find my chi. I just need 15 minutes. Hi, I'm Scott Lang. But you might know me as Ant-Man.
And I am Hope Van Dyne, the Wasp.
Look, before we start, let me address the elephant in the room. I've heard a lot of chatter out there asking why I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. First of all, gross. Secondly, it's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time. Anyway, tonight, through the power of quantum science, we will show you how together we can change the world.
Yeah, now look, don't worry kids, quantum science sounds overwhelming, but trust me, it is.
These are quantum cores, cutting-edge technology that for the first time allows us to specifically target our PIM particles to shrink or grow just about anything.
Please don't get any crumbs on them.
Push the button.
Okay, are you ready, Sam?
And they send a signal to the regulator here, which in turn remotely targets an object to shrink or grow.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Let's shrink something already, huh?
Let's do it.
All right.
Alright.
I can't. Because I couldn't fit it under the bed.
What exactly is that?
Oh, this. Like
Towel
this.
animal.
I made this. It's a swan.
Adorable that you think you made a swan.
I want to shrink this suitcase and the swan to make it easier to take home.
Well, making it smaller would make it better. Friday, initiate power-up sequence.
Prepare to push your buttons.
Woo!
Are you ready?
Ready,
And
Sam?
3, 2, 1, activate!
We'll be back soon with more quantum core demos
It might be just a magic towel.
without rewiring.
Initiating Avengers Technology Showcase.
It's a towel.
So now this side of the restaurant is doing what we just did. Really cool. Now, while the first courses are being served, they're showing on the screens other Marvel technology that has worked. So we got a lot of our favorite characters being shown. All right, course number 1, we begin. I got a shrimp dish and Sam got some oyster mushrooms. And I opted for a nice iceberg wedge salad. Sam got the potato soup.
Yep.
Enjoying your dinner? You don't have to answer. I can't hear you. Anyway, sorry for the delay, but I think I fixed the issue with the quantum cores. Since Hope has stepped out for some fresh air, I thought we'd surprise her and shrink my terrifying swan back to normal size before she gets back. Ready to go?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. That didn't work. What just happened? I just wanted to surprise you.
Oh, you did. Honey, you shrunk the ship.
Honey, you shrunk the ship.
All right, well, let me just,
Quantum cores are back online.
Activate your buttons now!
Oh, you did it.
Woo!
Scott is the captain of the cruise ship. They want to have a chat with us about what just happened. Yeah.
We'll be right back. Hopefully.
I got the chicken schnitzel, but I subbed out the potatoes for rice. And Sam got the rosemary roasted beef tenderloin. I'm really feeling the ship moving in the restaurant too, so I also got some Sprite.
Captain America! Sam! Captain Falcon! Captain... What do I call you now? Sam works. Call me Captain.
Aww.
How's the cushy cruise gig go? Try the chicken tenders. It'll change your life. You will notice a spike in high energy levels at your location.
They look like
Flying robots.
Analyzing. Ultron. An android obsessed with destroying the Avengers and wiping out all of mankind.
You must be here for the quantum course. Well, you sure isn't here for the chicken tenders. And later, we're going to have a serious talk about bringing quantum tech to a cruise ship.
Miss Marvel is teaming up with the Star Spangled Man with Plan against the muscle net. Throw down on the high seas, baby.
Contingency plans on the way.
funny who you run into on a cruise. Welcome to the party, Carol.
Woo!
Hey, Hope. Sam, give me a second. And I've got a date with some Kree missiles on the other side of the galaxy.
Have fun with your space stuff, and thanks for the assist, Danvers.
You're welcome, Captain.
Miss you, Danvers.
You Karen! Oh my god, was that Captain Marvel? Did you go binary?
What is that?
What's on black?
I don't know what those are.
Damon's totally clutch to see.
I...
Classic Captain Marvel.
Hope!
Scott.
Shield barrier activated.
They're in the hallway outside the restaurant.
When I give the signal, smash your buttons.
Okay, are you ready, Sam?
Yeah. If I don't make it back, avenge me.
Okay.
Hit your buttons now!
Ultron is destroyed. Oh my god.
You did it! You did it!
Come here.
Ah!
Hey! How you doing?
Yes!
Hey, I see you in the back.
Nice.
I'm lucky I was so full because I was about to run up there and help.
And look, they got the little like. Where is the camera? Is that really like here?
One second.
I was just about to give a rousing hero speech.
There we are.
Yes?
Well,
Let's see. Yes, Captain.
oh, tell Danvers, thanks for the help.
No, Captain of the ship.
Oh, they want to congratulate us?
They want us off the ship.
No.
Makes sense. I have a surprise for everyone.
Oh.
No more surprises.
Yes,
Please.
surprise.
Now, this will be sweet. Literally. Check this out. Garçon? The happy accident from well, all things considered, it looks like our presentation was a success.
Nice.
Now we gotta go.
We can eat it. We can definitely eat it.
Maybe.
Enjoy your adorably tiny dessert.
You guys are awesome.
Yay! You're awesome. All right. So you go around and do like a little bit of a greeting. And yeah, it's cool. And then here's our dessert menu. Oh boy, I don't know if I can fit. I like how they did it like a folder.
We hope you enjoyed tonight's demonstration.
We did.
Please do not take the quantum cores on your way out. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
And for our final night, we got some desserts. I got the sticky date pudding, and Sam got
Cheesecake bites.
ooh, very pretty. All right, we're all done with dinner. It was good. I especially enjoyed the dessert and of course Ant-Man and the Wasp coming into the ship. That was really cool.
I don't know where they did it, but they were on the ship.
Yeah, they were on the ship, they were having a battle, and then they came in to say hi to us. It was really cool.
Why was Ultron here?
Don't worry about it. Don't ask questions. Oh, look at this. Hello, Val. Hi, Peter Pan. We just came out and there's stuff going on everywhere.
Hans, kiss me so I won't freeze to death. No! I'm frozen. Ah, no! I love you! I'm God! And I wish you love his a frozen heart. And scene!
I don't know how to capture how much this is moving. So much. There's Daisy out, Captain Mickey is out. I think everybody's trying to soak in as much like cruise as they can. They're telling the stories, Disney movies in 1 minute. Let's go outside. Ah! Oh my gosh! The blast of air! Oh my goodness. I apologize if I'm shaking. This may not look scary to you. Y'all, this is cray-cray. Oh my, no wonder we can feel it, right? Oh my God, let us back in, please. Is there a button? We're trapped! Did you hear that giant splash? Let us in! Look at that.
Welcome to the Grand Hall. We are the Woodshakers. We're going to play some music for you guys. This is our sing-along set. So
yay!
You guys join in, dance along, sing along, get into it however you
will.
like. We're just here to have a good time.
Mickey's out.
We hope you enjoy.
Over there. Look at all this that's happening. It's all glittering. Wow, it's so pretty. The lights go down like the pillars. Wow!
Looks so cool.
It really, really does, doesn't it?
There's no walkway on this side.
Yeah! The layout of the ship is definitely
Maybe it's
over here.
upstairs.
Look how fast we're going! So if you look, you can see the garland swaying. The ship is booking it. It really is a beautiful ship. It is so windy. Oh my gosh. Ho, ho, ho. We're just walking around the ship a little bit one last time. It's so windy. The ship's going so fast. It feels amazing. But it is just, wow. I don't think I felt like a ship going this fast ever. Not on our last cruise, I don't think. Whew. Whew. How are ya?
Getting a nice breeze.
Yeah, my goodness. Oh my God. I have to hold my skirt down. It's flying.
Your attention please. This announcement is to inform you that the Disney Wish is now cleared by local customs and border protection. Now cleared to disembark via the gangway located on Deck 3 midship. We thank you for sailing with us on board the beautiful Disney Wish and hope you have a safe and pleasant journey home.
Hiya, pals. Captain Mickey here.
Company.
Thanks so much for sailing with us. Oh boy, have we had a great time. So, from me and the gang and the whole crew, so long, and we hope to see you real soon.
last time in the dream one it was Disney Plus, but like for a different thing. Now it's like Christmas. Olaf's Frozen Adventure. Aww.
We'll be home by 9.
Nice.
Wait till we get home.
Okay. Bye, Wish. See you next time.
Wow.
See you real soon, pal.
See you soon.
Felt like that quick. One thing we learned on our first Disney cruise back in May on the Disney Dream was that there's a lot for adults to do on a Disney cruise. The one thing I will say, like trying not to compare the ships, because there's a lot of Disney cruise ships we haven't been on yet. The Magic, the Wonder, there's others, but we've only been on the Dream and now the Wish. And the one big comparison I would say as adults is that the adults only area on the Dream is far superior because they have that glass bottom jacuzzi, the hot tub like right on the glass on the water. The adults area feels really like larger and more spacious. On the Dream, the adults only pool area here is fine, it's cool. I'm glad they have it and I did use it. The infinity pool is cool, but it feels just a little bit smaller, a little bit tighter, and the hot tub's just not as cool. But it's still wonderful that they have adults only areas on the ship, adults only activities like that, and we enjoy them and utilize them. But of course, we're kids at heart. We're on a Disney cruise. Anybody who's on a Disney cruise is probably a Disney fan. So you probably like Disney movies, music, characters, all of that. Even if you're not a huge character person, which honestly I do enjoy meeting and getting photos with characters, but I'm not big on like huge prolonged interactions. I just like to like say hi, have a hug, say a little few things and take my picture and move along my way. I don't like to spend too long, you know, with all of that. I appreciate their time and I know there's always a lot of people waiting, so I do my thing and I move along. But some people like to have more interactions with them. I think this is a nice way to do it. It's a nice place to get to do it. Like we got to get the photo with Chewbacca and Rey together, and that was really cool because in Galaxy's Edge it's not always that easy to get them together to stop and take a photo with you because they're getting swarmed by people. Also seeing the characters in their cute outfits, that is one thing I do love, seeing them in like alternate outfits, like their Christmas outfits and their sailor outfits. I think that our favorite dinner of the trip as far as food and even the show was Arendelle, surprisingly. Like, I mean, I like Frozen. The Frozen films are great, the songs are great, but I'm not like a huge Frozen fan any more so than any other film. There are other films that I love more, let's say, but I do really enjoy Frozen. I think they're great films and beautiful music. But the dinner was great, the show was really cool, the characters, the singing, the food was really good. I think that was our favorite food. I thought that 1923 would be our favorite because it's like this classy upscale, and it was cool because we love Walt Disney, we love Roy, and we love that theming to them. But we felt like it was good, it was fine, but Arendelle was just, it just shone a little more. And we really did like Worlds of Marvel, and it was really cool with Ant-Man and the Wasp going through. But I don't think the menu there was my favorite. I actually think that all of the appetizers were some of my favorite things at all of your restaurants. The appetizers were really good. I really liked the taco and burrito quick service that you could get. It was nice to have those different options. If you have questions about them, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer. Just from my perspective, we're, you know, 2 adults doing this. We're not like, we haven't cruised a lot. We've been on 1 Disney cruise. We're not super experienced cruisers. We're kind of new to it, but we're learning as we go, and with each cruise we learn more. And we are starting to get interested in trying like a Royal Caribbean or maybe a Norwegian or something like that in the future. But we really like Disney cruises because just the atmosphere of the ship, all of the music and magic and the treatment, the way that the crew treat you and treat each other, the kindness, the like level of service that you get here, how well taken care of you are. It's like this elevated experience. It's really nice and it feels really good. It really feels like a relaxing vacation. Even me here making videos during this, I feel like I went on a relaxing vacation. Like, you can do a thing when you do a Disney cruise where you put down a certain amount, and then that will automatically apply to the next Disney cruise you book, and you get 10% off. And we did that last time. It's like a placeholder. We did that last time, and we used it for this. We got 10% off this cruise. So you know we did it again. We put a placeholder so that for our next cruise, we'll get 10% off. And there's also Florida resident discounts from time to time and other things. You know, some folks work with a travel agent. We just do it ourselves, but they may be able to also get you different discounts and deals and stuff like that. I'm just looking out at the stars, and we're just feeling the ocean, feeling the love. We both love being out on the ocean. That's just in and of itself. Just like with anything, cruising can be a completely different experience from one party to the next. Like if you're in a big family with little kids, you could be doing a lot of the more family activities that are geared more towards the little ones, and they have like kids clubs for different ages for like the little ones, for teens. They have the 18-20 club for kids just 18 through 20 because they're kind of like not old enough to drink, but they're kind of like older than the little kids. There's a lot, of course, that happens during these types of things that isn't on video. So I shared with you our full experience of when I had the camera out and was filming, but there were moments where we just stood together and danced and sang and just stood smiling, looking out over the Great Hall, or standing out on one of the decks looking out at the ocean. And those are some of the most memorable moments, of course, if you've ever been in those types of situations where it just feels surreal and otherworldly. Those memories just imprint on your brain. They're just so magical. But I was able to capture a lot of those magical moments too in the videos, which is really cool. One of my favorite things about doing this is being able to have those memories. I hope all of that makes sense. I hope this was enjoyable to you and hopefully even helpful and gave you an idea of what our cruise was like, and also just bring you along with us, like you're just hanging out, having fun, enjoying the cruise with us. This was, again, a Very Merrytime cruise, so it's like a Christmas holiday themed cruise. So we definitely have to do the wish again, just like normal wish, that without like the holiday stuff. We will definitely be doing more cruising in the future, and also, like always, more road trips and travel and fun and all that good stuff. And I've mentioned already that we do have a big Christmas New Year's trip coming up soon, so there's a lot going on, and I'm just grateful to be able to share it with all of you, and thank you so much for joining us for all of it. Let me know your thoughts on the cruise series. I hope you watched all the videos and enjoyed them and enjoyed being there with us, and I'm sending you all a ton of love. I will see you for the next video. Until then, stay cruised. Bye.